From a teammate's perspective, how do you think the season will go so far?
I think everyone's pretty excited for the season. It's a new year. Last year we ended the year winning 5 of our last 6. And I think the way that we started the year last year is going to help us prepare for this year a lot better because the way that we did prepare last year didn't help instantly right away. About halfway through the year we started to pick it up. So I think the slow start last year is really helping us, picked up intensity in practice. And we're ready to get going and take on Wisconsin-Lutheran right away and hopefully you'll find ourselves near a conference championship at the end of the year.
As a teammate, do you see any struggles that will come?
I think obviously the freshmen right away are struggling a little bit, but some of the guys, we got a lot of older guys on the team. We bring back a lot of starters, so we haven't really missed a beat really. We lost a couple guys on our offensive line, about like 3 or 4 guys on our defense. So everyone's kind of knows what's going on and knows the offensive and defensive schemes. So I think we got enough experience, enough guys coming back that they should be ready, and there shouldn't be too many problems during camp.
Any improvements?
Improvements. I think it's just coming to practice every day and wanting to get better. We got to come in every day and not have a bad day of practice here and there. Every day's got to be good, and just improve every day. I don't think anything's really stood out as an improvement, but every day we got to improve.